Hello friends, myself Professor Shantaya Gurmat, Department of Botany, MJC Arts, Commerce and Science College, Midde, Bihar, Karnataka State. Friends, today's class we discuss about structure of DNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is a molecule composed of two polynucleotide chains that coil around each other to form a double helix, carrying genetic instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all known organisms. And many viruses, DNA and ribonucleic acid, RNA, are nucleic acids. Alongside proteins, lipids, and complex carbohydrates, that is polysaccharides. Nucleic acids are one of the four major types of macromolecules that are essential for all known forms of life. The two DNA strands are known as polynucleotides as they are composed of simpler monomeric units called nucleotides. Each nucleotide is composed of one of four nitrogen containing nucleobases. Cytosine, that it denotes capital C. Guanine, it denotes capital Z. Adenine, A, or thymine, T. A sugar called deoxyribose and a phosphate group. The nucleotides are joined to one another in each chain by covalent bonds known as the phosphodiester linkage between the sugar of one nucleotide and the phosphate of the next, resulting in an alternating sugar phosphate backbone. The nitrogenous bases of the two separate polynucleotide strands are bound together according to base pairing rules. Adenine with thymine, cytosine with guanine, with hydrogen bonds to make double-stranded DNA. The complementary nitrogen bases are divided into two groups, pyrimidines and purines in DNA. The pyrimidines are thymine and cytosine. The purines are adenine and guanine. Both strands of double-stranded DNA store the same biological information. The information is applied as and when the two strands separate. A large part of DNA form DNA, more than 98% for humans, is non-coding, meaning that these sections do not serve as patterns for protein sequences. The two strands of DNA runs in opposite directions to each other and are thus anti-parallel. Attached to each sugar is one of the four types of nucleobases. Informally, bases. It is the sequence of these four nucleobases along the backbone that encodes genetic information. RNA strands are created using DNA strands as a template in a process called transcription, where the DNA bases are exchanged for their corresponding bases, except in the case of thymine, for which RNA substitutes uracil under the genetic code. These RNA strands spatially the sequence of amino acids within proteins in a process called translation. Within eukaryotic cells, DNA is organized into a long structures called chromosomes. Before typical cell division, these chromosomes are duplicated in the process of DNA replication, providing a number of set of chromosomes for each daughter cell. Eukaryotic organisms like animals, plants, fungi, and protists store most of their DNA inside the cell nucleus as nuclear DNA and some in the mitochondria as mitochondrial DNA or in chloroplast as chloroplast DNA. In contrast, prokaryotes, bacteria, and archaea store their DNA in the cytoplasm in a circular chromosome. Within the eukaryotic chromosomes, chromatin proteins such as histone Histones compact and organize DNA. These compacting structures guide the interactions between DNA and other proteins, helping control which parts of the DNA are transcribed. Then we discuss about functions of DNA. DNA usually occurs as a linear chromosomes in eukaryotes and circular chromosomes in prokaryotes. The set of chromosomes in cell makes up its genome. The human genome has approximately 3 billion base pairs of DNA arranged into 46 chromosomes. The information carried by DNA is held in the sequence of pieces of DNA called genes. Transmission of genetic information in genes is achieved via complementary base pairing. For example, in a transcription, when a cell uses the information in a gene, the DNA sequence is copied into a complementary RNA sequence through the attraction between the DNA and the correct RNA nucleotides. Usually, this RNA copy is then used to make a making protein sequence in a process called translation, which depends on the same interaction between RNA nucleotides. In alternative fashion, a cell may simply copy its genetic information in a process called DNA replication. The details of these functions are covered in other articles. Here, the focus in the interactions between DNA and other molecules that mediate the functions of the genome. Okay, thank you, friends. We meet in the next video.